Ever feel like the traditional banking system just doesn't get crypto? Like you're stuck in the slow lane while the future races past? Well, that's where bitwala comes in. This innovative platform seamlessly blends everyday banking with the exciting world of cryptocurrency. But who are the brilliant minds behind bitwala? Who dared to bridge this financial gap? The birth of a blockchain bank. Let's rewind to 2015. The world of finance was still grappling with the revolutionary potential of blockchain technology. Bitcoin was on the rise, but traditional banks were hesitant, to say the least. It was in this climate that a group of visionary entrepreneurs saw an opportunity. Introducing the founding four. Our story begins with not one, but four individuals who shared a common vision: Georg von Minkwitz, Jan Goslicki, Benjamin Jones, and Dennis Daber. These are the names you need to remember, the masterminds who brought bitwala to life. Georg von Minkwitz, a seasoned leader with a proven track record in tech startups. His experience in mobile internet strategies was crucial in building bitwala's user-friendly platform. Jan Goslicki, an individual with a deep understanding of the financial landscape. Jan's expertise helped bitwala navigate the complexities of traditional banking and integrate it with the new world of crypto. Benjamin Jones, a creative force with a passion for innovation. Benjamin's vision likely played a key role in shaping bitwala's unique features and user experience. The early days, a global blockchain payment pioneer. These four individuals joined forces in October 2015, and bitwala, then known as Nuri, was born. Their concept was groundbreaking. They aimed to create a global payment service provider built on blockchain technology. Imagine sending money internationally, instantly, and with minimal fees, a stark contrast to the slow and expensive methods offered by traditional institutions. Breaking barriers, faster, cheaper transactions. News of bitwala spread like wildfire. Here was a solution for a globalized, tech-savvy generation. Wired magazine hailed bitwala as a much faster and cheaper solution compared to traditional money transfer services. This early recognition highlighted the immense potential bitwala held. Evolving with the crypto landscape. The world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving, and bitwala has always strived to keep pace. They understood that simply offering money transfers wasn't enough. They needed a platform that catered to the diverse needs of crypto enthusiasts. Enter Dennis Daber, the man at the helm. This is where Dennis Daber enters the picture. Though not one of the original founders, Dennis assumed the role of CEO in 2016. His leadership and strategic vision have been instrumental in shaping bitwala's growth trajectory. A pure-play crypto return. Fast forward to 2023. The crypto market faced some headwinds, leading bitwala to temporarily rebrand as Nuri and diversify its offerings. However, under Dennis's guidance, bitwala has returned to its roots in 2023, focusing solely on its core crypto banking proposition. A legacy of innovation. From the initial vision of the founding four to Dennis Daber's continued leadership, bitwala's story is one of innovation and adaptation. They dared to challenge the status quo and build a bridge between the traditional and the revolutionary. So, the next time you use bitwala to seamlessly manage your crypto and everyday finances, remember the names behind it all. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and explore the future of finance.